Today's video is all about my school project, which is to build a Valentine's Day box. Not just any Valentine's Day box, a simple machine Valentine's Day box. And I think we might have went a little bit overboard. Before we built the real thing, we wanted to make sure it worked. So this is what we did for the prototype. So we had 2 doors in the front like that, and then 2 arms, and then the elbow was attached to a rope that were attached to 2 pulleys. So when you pulled down on the pulleys, it changed the direction of force, and it would open and close the arm. But first we tried to tie the 2 ropes into a knot, which didn't work. But then we decided to put 3 pulleys instead of 2, so there was an equal amount of tension in the rope, and that turned out to work. Then we decided to add the lever in the back, so if you wanted to get your Valentine out, you'd push down on the pull up on the lever, and then an inclined plane would form out of a sheet of cardboard that will be in the real thing. Let's check out the real build. For our opening, we have 3 pulleys in the back that are ordered like this. See, when you pull on this, it applies an equal amount of tension to both sides of the rope and goes through and changes direction of the force, and then it pulls on these, which act as our levers. So when you pull on a lever, it opens it up, right? So now we have an opening and closing door. So inside we have rubber bands that are storing elastic potential energy. So when they want to go and contract, and so, but right now I'm applying force down so they can't. But when I let go, all that elastic potential energy turns into kinetic energy to close the doors. So inside, to the person who wants to get the Valentine to deliver it, we have a lever out the back here that looks like this. So when you pull up on the lever, like this, a plastic sheet inside of the box forms an inclined plane, so all of your Valentine will slide out because of the force of gravity. So in the middle of building this, I thought it might look cooler if the head could actually spin. So what I have is a wheel and axle that are attached to the head and the base of the body, and then in the back here, so it doesn't spin all the way around, we have a little stopper. And this is my Valentine's box, and thanks for watching, as always.